the simplest post-workout meal. Cream of rice. If you look at the nutrition facts, 45 grams would give you 35 grams of carbs. So we're gonna measure that out. Have it on the scale right here. Almost there. A little bit over, but that's all right. 2 grams. So that's basically what it looks like. Put some water in it, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes, or a minute first. Then I'm gonna add 2 scoops of iso chocolate. It's gonna be more, 1.5 scoops. So that'll give me about 40 grams of protein. And that'll be a great post-workout meal. It's quick, it's easy, and it's done in about 10 minutes. If that, 5 minutes. I'll show you the results after. Alright, so this is the final result. It actually didn't come out exactly how I liked it because I had to add a little extra water, and I'm kind of in a rush to go to work. But I like it a little bit on the thicker side. But this will do. I mean, I'm gonna add like 2 Splendors to it. Take this down real quick, and then just head out. But this is about 40 grams of protein, maybe 37 grams of carbs. And I just finished a workout, so it's perfect for post-workout or even pre-workout. But yeah, it doesn't have to be hard. Just have to figure out easy ways to make it happen. Peace.